everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to log into Epic 7 with your existing Facebook account. So to log into Epic 7 with Facebook, first of all, open up the Epic 7 application on your device and you'll end up in this login section. Tap on the login button, and when you see these login methods appearing on the screen, tap on Continue with Facebook. Remember that you will need to enter your Facebook account's credential when prompted. So if you don't have a Facebook account yet, you can create one, and after you do that, you will be able to log into Epic 7 with your same Facebook account. Tap the Continue with Facebook button and click the Continue button again in the pop-up to get to the Facebook sign-in page. Now get ready to enter your credentials for your existing Facebook account, and once you do that, you will be logged in. Now click the Continue button to give access to Epic 7 to get to your Facebook credentials, profile picture, and so on. And Epic 7 will receive your player name avatar from your Facebook account, and right after you do that, you'll get to select a server on the next page. After choosing a server, you will be ready to play the game. You will go through a little story and tutorial, and that way you are logged in to Epic 7 with Facebook. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel for more Epic 7 tutorial. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.